Hey guys, I hope all of you are doing great. So I have another tutorial for all of you, and today I'll be teaching you how to make an altered notebook using some mixed media techniques. So I'm starting with some blank notebooks which I bought from Michael's, and the first step is to apply some modeling paste. And I'm not priming it up, although I should have primed it up with gesso, so you guys don't forget to do it. So apply a generous amount of modeling paste. So I'm using this paste called Light Paste from Prima Marketing. It's one of their Art Alchemy series. And once you're done applying the modeling paste, allow it to dry completely. Don't dry. Your layout will become very messed up if you work on wet modeling paste. I have done this before, so I would recommend that you guys don't do the same mistake. So once the modeling paste has been applied, uh, we are going to start using some sprays. We're going to spray it up. So I'm using some color bloom sprays by Prima Marketing, and they are a mix of colorful sprays because I was not sure what color scheme I want to go for, and I wanted my notebook to be very colorful. So as you can see, modeling paste started showing up once you start applying colors, and it is looking absolutely gorgeous. So that's how I do it. And then once I apply the color, I take some tissue, I wipe off the excess. I always keep a spray bottle besides me so that I can smudge the colors properly. And see, my notebook is getting a little spilled because I forgot to prime it, so you guys don't do that mistake. And now I'm applying some splatter of colors on my notebook. And just to give it more texture, I recently got the stone effect paste uh, from Prima Marketing. I'm just giving some stone effect on my notebook, and the texture is absolutely gorgeous. It shows actually pretty well in the video in comparison to the pictures which I have for this particular notebook. But so after you've applied all kinds of paste, just apply some 3D gloss gel or any kind of transparent gel so that you can sprinkle some kind of mixed media stones on it. So I'm using art stones by Prima Marketing again, and once you apply those art stones, they give a very nice dimensional effect. You can see that I'm applying my art stones here, and I think this is one of the must-haves mixed media supplies which you should keep because it immediately transforms your project and it gives very nice textures. It was very hard for me to find a bottle because it's completely sold out everywhere. Although I'm gonna leave a link below of scrapbook.com because probably they are the one which are very quick at stocking things back. So the next thing which I do is I use the old spray technique. I don't know how people do it these days, but the way I do it is that I take an old toothbrush, I put my paint on it, and then with the help of my thumb, I splatter my paint all across my layout. So once that is done, I will decide upon layering up what all embellishments I want, and I generally layer all my embellishments with some spare chipboard so that I can add dimension to it. I love dimensional projects, and we all can see that how I make all my dimensional projects. So here you can see that I'm embellishing it up and I'm trying different things out. Probably I might have switched off the camera to try what all embellishments will go together. And that's how I just do things, because you have to layer all your embellishments and see that how they're gonna go together. It can't be like, it just comes to me on the screen. Like, trust me, I switch off the camera and then I decide what all embellishments I want in this layout. So here I'm using two chipboard frames, and they are from Sarcrafters, and they have been embossed with some Lindy's embossing powder. Probably the one which I'm using is some bronze color. The exact name is Twilight Bronze Slate, and this is my absolute favorite. I use it all the time. And over here you'll see me that I am adding some layers of ephemera, and this is from Kaisercraft. It's a very old collection. I doubt you can find it right now, but I try to use up everything which is up there in my stash. I try to be as constructive as I can with my stash. Although I do shop a lot, I wouldn't lie about that. I do spend a lot on craft supplies because instead of spending on Louis Vuitton bags, I prefer sending it on craft supplies. Because yes, last year only I got a job, and after that there was this phase that I was spending like crazy on bags and stuff. And then this year, 2018, I decided that I'm gonna be more productive with what I do, and I want to do some meaningful things. And the aim for me this year is to learn 5 new things, 3 of them which I know. One is going to be skiing, one is going to be scuba diving, and the third one is going to be learning Espanol. So let's see how that goes. Those are the 3 aims, and I'm talking right now about myself because probably the video is pretty much self-explanatory what I'm doing right now. And you can see here that the notebook is completed. I'm adding some sentiments on it. I always top it up with some kind of quotes and sentiments, and I keep all these things handy with me so that I can gift it whenever I want. I really hope you guys have liked what I've made here. And these days I see that my views are pretty less, whereas subscriber count is increasing every day, and it kind of breaks my heart. So guys, please do leave me some love. Please comment, like, share, because that really helps a lot. And I have some full video, like full pictures of the project right here, where you can see all the details. And thank you so much again for watching my video. It really feels good when I get your appreciation. And don't forget to see my previous video. I have linked it up below. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.